Hello and welcome back. So you're joining me here on Sean McDermott Street, and I'm outside the last remaining Magdalene Laundry, which closed its doors in 1996. So if you can see it up there, it says Monastery of Our Lady of Charity of Jesus. Now this place wouldn't have been a place of much charity to the women that were held here. So the Magdalene Laundries operated in the 18th and 19th century in Ireland, and this was the last one. This one closed in 1996. So it was a place where so-called fallen women were held. Women that had children out of wedlock, rape victims, so-called promiscuous women. And they were held here under strict lock and key by different religious orders, including the likes of the Sisters of Mercy. This one, I saw videos of people inside this today, but it's all locked up, so I'm not sure how they got in. But this is it. This is just the entrance. So if I could have got in, I would, but it's all locked up. But that's the building there. They're doing the Office of Public Works. The Office of Public Works are doing some work on it at the minute, probably to make it safer, because it's probably been abandoned since '96. But I'll see if there's a little hole in the door here, see if I can see it. I'll do a longer video on these, but that's just the entrance there. But yeah, a lot of them were closed, obviously, because of the abuse and everything that took place in them, and they started running out of money because they're no longer used for the laundries. But yeah, that's okay on Sean McDermott Street. Now further down the road, there's like a little plaque for Bram Stoker's house, so he obviously lived here at some stage, and then a plaque for a lieutenant who fought in 1916 as part of the Irish Citizens Army, but I couldn't read the name. It was like James Conlon or something like that. It wasn't James Connolly. But this is Sean McDermott Street, and the last remaining laundry.